Hi guys, it's Mo here. Welcome to my new channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and why I think this is still a great company to invest in. Let's get into it. Most people think Amazon is only e-commerce. This is not true at all. Here's a little bit of history on Amazon. Amazon went public on May 15, 1997, during the midst of the dot-com bubble. Amazon survived the dot-com bubble in the year of 2000 and started making multiple acquisitions per year in 2005, focusing on acquiring digital retailers and media websites. Starting in 2011, Amazon began shifting its focus to buying technology startups. Throughout the years, Amazon has diversified its acquisitions into several market sectors. Let's highlight some of them. Amazon Robotics, formerly known as Kiva Systems, is a Massachusetts-based company that manufactures mobile robotic fulfillment systems. It was acquired by Amazon in March 2012 for $775 million. As of June 2019, Amazon had more than 200,000 robots working in their warehouses. Whole Foods. Amazon acquired Whole Foods for $13.7 billion in 2017. This was its largest acquisition made to date. As of March 2019, Whole Foods has 500 stores in North America and 7 stores in the United Kingdom. Ring, formerly known as Doorbot. Amazon bought Ring for $1 billion in 2018. Ring is a home automation company founded by Jamie Siminoff in 2013. It is primarily known for its Wi-Fi powered smart doorbells and security cameras. Zook is an autonomous vehicle company currently headquartered in Foster City, California, with multiple offices of operations throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. The company was founded in July 2014 by Tim Kenley-Clay and Jesse Levinson. Amazon acquired Zook in June 2020 for over $1.2 billion and says it will remain a standalone company. In September 2020, Zook became the 4th company in the state of California to receive a permit to test driverless cars on public roads. Only Waymo, Nuro, AutoX, and Zook currently have a driverless permit in California. On December 14, 2020, Zook became the world's first company to showcase a fully autonomous, all-electric, purpose-built vehicle that is capable of driving up to 75 miles per hour. Today, they have grown to over 500 employees. I believe Zook is in a great position to disrupt the robotaxi ride-sharing industry. Cathy Wood thinks we can have a massive robotaxi fleet by 2025. Amazon Pharmacy. On November 17, 2020, Amazon launched Amazon Pharmacy. The move was described as arguably Amazon's broadest push into the healthcare business. Amazon Pharmacy's business is based on online sales. The company offers free two-day home delivery of prescription to Amazon Prime subscribers. The formation of Amazon Pharmacy was expected to result in disruption of the retail pharmacy sector. On the day of its launch, stock prices for competitors dropped. GoodRx by 20%, Rite Aid by 16%, and Walgreens and CVS Pharmacy by 9% each. In all, drugstores, drug distributors, and health insurance providers lost $22 billion in market value on the day of Amazon Pharmacy's launch. As of today, Amazon has a market cap of $1.7 trillion. Amazon is currently the most valuable retailer in the world. A key factor in the company's success is its diversification into other areas. Amazon has made over 100 acquisitions throughout the years and currently owns over 40 subsidiaries. To put it into perspective, during 2020, its total net sales increased 37.6% from $280.5 billion to $386 billion. And its operating cash flows increased by 72% from $38.5 billion to $66 billion. Net income, meanwhile, rose 84% to $21.3 billion. Adjusted earnings per share grew 82% to $41.83, and free cash flow gained 20.2% to $31 billion. Amazon was one of the biggest beneficiaries of the shutdown-induced stay-at-home economy in 2020. Here's a quick breakdown of Amazon's revenue mix in 2020. Online stores contributed 50.6% of the total revenue. Amazon Web Services contributed 12.4% of the total revenue. Third-party selling services contributed 19.7% of the total revenue. Ad revenue contributed 5.3%. Physical stores such as Whole Foods, Amazon Books, Amazon Fresh contributed 5.3%. Subscription services such as Amazon Prime, Prime Video, Prime Music contributed 6.8%. And here's the revenue forecast over the next 10 years. Their revenue estimate is massively trending up, and they have a very healthy year-over-year growth. No matter how you slice it, 2020 was an amazing growth year for Amazon. Here's another fact I would like to share. According to the US Department of Commerce data, in 2020, consumers spent almost $900 billion online, up by 44% year-over-year. This is the largest digital sales number to date. It is also nearly triple the 15.1% jump in 2019. In fact, roughly $1 out of every $5 was spent online in 2020, which is a 5% increase from 2019. Economists believe 20 to 30% of the global digital sales will last through 2021 and will continue to peak over the next few years. On a side note, digital grocery sales also peaked in 2020, rising by around 70 to 80% last year, due to the shutdowns and social distancing guidelines. Now, e-commerce is expected to continue to grow as more and more businesses are moving over to digital-only portals. Here's a graph that was released by Digital Commerce 360, demonstrating the growth comparison between US e-commerce and total retail sales. Currently, Amazon operates in 20 countries and has approximately 1.3 million total employees worldwide. According to the Amazon Jobs website, they currently have about 49,000 open positions. This is a strong sign that the company is massively growing. One thing to note as well, by now, a world without the internet is unimaginable. As of January 2021, there were 4.6 billion active internet users worldwide. That is 59.5% of the global population. According to Cisco Annual Internet Report, they are forecasting by 2023, we will have nearly 5.3 billion total internet users. That is basically 2/3 of the global population. So which country has the highest number of internet users currently? As of January 2021, China, India, and the United States rank ahead of all other countries in terms of internet users. China has more than 854 million internet users. India has approximately 560 million online users. Both countries still have large parts of the population that are offline. The US has approximately 270 million internet users, representing 90% of all active internet users nationwide. Now, let's move over to technical analysis. Using TradingView.com, you can see on this chart, Amazon has a massive upward trend. Amazon's first IPO on May 15, 1997, at a price of $18 per share. Let's say you invested $10,000 on that day, the price would be worth more than $12 million as of May 2020. That's more than 120,000% growth. In my opinion, Amazon is an amazing buy. The technical analysis is massively trending up, massive revenue growth over the next 10 years, and great year-over-year revenue growth. The average price target for April 2022 is 4,100, with a high forecast of 5,200 and a low forecast of 3,700. The average price target represents 21% increase from the current trading value of $3,372. I hope you found this helpful. Please consider subscribing and hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.